Dear Future Racer, now that I'm out in the village, I have time to really tell you what you should probably bring. And since you're launching soon, I thought some advice might help. So I brought a list. 1. Don't forget your queen-size mattress. You'll be sleeping on the floor a lot, and that'll hurt your back. And a queen-size mattress will fit anywhere. Now that your back's comfortable, don't forget to bring your portable human-sized freezer for those hot days. 6 months of summer isn't fun, if you know what I mean. So don't forget to bring it so you can climb in when it's hot. Number 3, don't forget to bring your boombox, because speakers break easily, and you always need some big speakers to pump up your jams. Now that you have your jams, don't forget to bring that heathen music for number 4, because you know, worship music gets pretty old, and when you want to jam, it just doesn't quite cut it. Number 5, don't forget to bring your parents so they can clean up after everything you do. You know, being a racer is really messy. So, number 6, don't forget to bring your travel-sized kitten for those nights when you're extremely sad and crying a lot. They're really good for cuddles. Number 7, don't forget to bring your car, because when you're stuck out in a village like this, you just want to drive away, and you need a car to do that, so don't forget to bring it. Number 8, don't forget to bring your invisible insect shield, so that way when you walk everywhere you don't get bit, because insects are deadly. Seriously, it's called malaria. Number 8. Did I say 8? Number 9. Don't forget to bring 99 books, in case that nook breaks. What else are you gonna read? Number 10. Don't forget to bring your toilet. That porcelain bowl is really sacred when you're squatting all the time. Come in handy. Number 11. I would suggest you bring 1 pair of clothes. You need to learn abandonment. So there it is. 11 tips from a 6-month world racer to the future world racer.